Imagine you are running very fast on the road. Is it possible to stop immediately within a second? Or, is it possible to turn immediately within a second? No. Why? To stop immediately, there should be some external thing to stop you. Or, you should give a command to your body to stop. Then you will slow your speed and you can gradually stop. It is the same story with every object. Every object will continue to do what it is doing. If it's at rest, it will remain at rest, and if it's in motion, it will stay in motion. If we want to change this, then we need to apply an external force on it. If we apply external force on the rest object, it may move. If we apply external force on a moving object, it may stop moving. This phenomenon is nothing but Newton's first law of motion. Let's see the actual definition. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.